pet peeve mo rin yung mga feeling main characters sa kasal ng ibang tao, this video is for you. May mga bisita kasi sa kasal na hindi marunong makiramdam or hindi siguro well-informed sa mga unspoken rules pagdating sa wedding. If you're newly engaged, you need to know this so your guests don't do it to you. Stay with me at sabay-sabay tayong mainis. Number 1, proposing at someone else's wedding nang walang pahintulot nung ikinakasal. I know, it feels so romantic. Love is in the air. Everyone's emotional. Perfect timing, di ba? No. Yung couple na ikinakasal, they spent months or years to plan their dream wedding. Hindi biro yung ginastos nila just to create their special moment. Tapos bigla kayong i-eksena ng jowa mo. Luluhod, you will get everyone's attention. Pero sana maisip nyo rin na yung venue, bayad yan per hour. Every minute nakaplano yan. May bayad yan pag nag-overtime. May program yan na sinusunod. And now, nag-propose ka. Parang nakakahiya naman na ituloy yung program as if nothing happened. Yung photographers, they might get confused kung i-cover ba nila yan o hindi. Si host, i-acknowledge ba niya yan o hindi. Kung nagmamahalan kayo, mag-set kayo ng dinner, mag-date sa Tagaytay or Baguio, propose somewhere that isn't someone else's wedding day. Number 2, wearing white to a wedding when you were not specifically told to. Huwag kang magsuot ng kulay puti, lalo na white long dress. Unless nakalagay mismo sa wedding invitation na white attire encouraged. And yes, may mga all-white na wedding, especially kapag mga beach weddings. There is one person who gets to wear white that day. And it is not you. Simple lang naman yan. When in doubt, magbasa ka ng wedding invitation. Most likely, nasa invitation yung kulay ng damit na kailangan mong isuot. And number 3, making the event about you. Again, bilang bisita, hindi ikaw ang bida sa araw na yan. So please, do not make a speech na hindi naman related sa wedding. Do not announce your pregnancy at the reception. Do not do your gender reveal. Do not bring family drama. Iwan mo na yan sa group chat ng family. Ninong Mayor, I'm looking at you. Yung speech mo, hindi yan para mangampanya ka. This is someone's once-in-a-lifetime moment. Your news, however exciting, has 364 other days to be celebrated. 2026 na. Let's be good wedding guests. Now, if you are watching this kasi newly engaged ka, your wedding planning also deserves some protection. I put together a free guide called Your First 30 Days as a Bride-to-Be. It's a free video plus PDF guide. Free yan. Makukuha mo yan instantly when you subscribe to thebudgetarianbride.com or when you click the link in my bio.